I'm John McPherson, Principal Broker on the Portland team with Premier Property Group. In February 2022, in comparison with February 2021, the average residential real estate sales price in Portland was $589,000. That's up 1.4% since last year. The average condo and townhouse sales price was $430,000, down 1.6% since last year. The average single-family sales price is $650,000. That was up 3.6%. For those of you who saw last month's report, you'll remember that prices were up generally about 8.5% to 9% overall since the previous year. That's January to January. And you're probably wondering why prices have not appreciated more. And what happened was in February of last year, in comparison with January of last year, prices rose by quite a bit, by about 7.8% overall. So we're really going from a high in February of 2021 to now February 2022. Which makes it look like prices haven't appreciated much. And really what happened was after January 2021, prices went up, peaked in about May, and then dropped in June and July. Since then, July through February, so July of 2021 through February of this year, 2022, prices have bounced around in a pretty tight range. For single-family houses, that means prices have been between about $628,000 and $653,000. This month, February 2022, the average single-family sales price, like I said, was right around $650,000. Prices in the Portland area range from about $505,000 on average in Gresham up to about $1.1 million in Lake Oswego and West Linn. There's about 1% depreciation from February of last year to February of this year in Northeast Portland. In other areas of Portland, prices were up quite a bit. In South and Southwest Portland, they led the way as far as price appreciation went at almost 20%. Over the past year, prices were up all around the country, with Phoenix leading the way at 32.5%. In the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states, also in the Midwest, prices were up around 10 to 14%. In Miami and Tampa, prices were up over 27%. On the West Coast, prices appreciated between around 18% in Portland and 26% in San Diego. Earlier on, I said that prices in Portland for single-family residences were up about 3.6%. The data we're looking at right now, though, is not the same data set. This is from the S&P Case-Shiller indices. The data was reported on February 23rd through the end of December 2021. The rest of this report goes through the end of February. Not just Portland was included in the Case-Shiller indices. It covers the entire metropolitan area around Portland, Portland itself, down to Salem, and also the Vancouver area. The Standard & Poor's Case-Shiller indices are repeat sales indices that track the resale of single-family houses around the country, not new construction. I'm John McPherson, Principal Broker on the Portland team with Premier Property Group. Call me anytime about your real estate related plans or to talk about Portland's real estate market.